Hello, just want to give you a bit of an insight on an air conditioning system. We have this NISSAN QASHQAI here, 2015 plate. The customer brought the vehicle in due to an air conditioning fault. The system has been regassed twice previously. However, after a short period of time, he was losing the gas. We have inspected all the pipes and no damage has found, no leaks. Now we've took the condenser. This is called the air conditioning condenser. On an initial inspection, it looks like there were no leaks here also. But what we have used the system with the UV light. It is the ultraviolet torch, and with special goggles. We have noticed the UV dye. UV dye is a substance that goes in the air conditioning system, especially for cases like that where a leak has to be identified, because the gas has simply no color, and then it will be incredibly difficult to find such a minor leak. So we're just going to show you, we're going to put the light off, turn the light off, and show you with the UV torch and the goggles how the leak is seen.